Hello friends, welcome back to the channel. We got our February Ipsy this morning and I'm so excited to dive in. The packaging is different. I don't know what happened to my January Ipsy, but I didn't receive it, so that's why I didn't post for last month. But we do have our February Ipsy and I don't know how the packaging was for January, but this is looking different. I have to say the old packaging is my favorite. I like all the colors, but maybe this is just for February because it's pink. But we're gonna go ahead and dive in to see what we got this month. The theme of the month is For the Love of You. Oh, it's very pretty. It's like a snakeskin bag. It has the little Ipsy heart at the top for the zipper. I do like this bag. There's some bags that I'm not crazy for, but this one's really cute. I could definitely see myself using this one. And our first product of the day is gonna be a pencil eyeliner from Beauty Vault. I can't remember when the last time I used a pencil eyeliner because I've just been more like light on the makeup. I don't know. I haven't been loving like a lot of deep, dark makeup. But this is a really pretty shade. I can't find the shade color on the box anywhere, so I'm not sure what it's called, but it's like a brownish purple. It is pretty. I think it's pretty for February too, but I don't really see myself using this, so I'll probably give it away to a friend. Next we have, oh, I love this packaging. This is Dear Midnight, and I'm not sure if I'm gonna pronounce this correctly, 8 Lear, but the packaging is just so pretty. I love the stars, and it's a lipstick in the shade Dried Roses. I can't see myself using this shade either, but this will also go to one of my friends. I already know who I'm gonna give it to. She's gonna love it. I just don't really like to wear dark makeup anymore, especially lately, but I'm really hoping there's something in here that I can see myself using. Next we have a facial moisturizer. It says it's fragrance free. I cannot pronounce the brand, so I'm not even gonna try. And the packaging says Rituals Not Miracles. I really like the branding on this. It says Your Skin's Guardian Angel. And it's like packaged in aluminum. It feels like good quality. It feels like a good quality product. I always love packaging and I feel like packaging can really make or break your product. But I'm excited to try this. I'm gonna test a little bit on my hand. There's not really a scent to it, like there's a little something there, but I think that's just whatever the ingredients are. But it feels so smooth and so soft. I already know my skin is gonna absorb this and love it so much. So yay, I'll be using this out of my Ipsy bag. Next we have something from House Labs. Super excited for this. It is a lengthening mascara. This took forever to get the plastic off. I don't know why we still do this. We have to make a change. There's gotta be a better way and not wrap that tight plastic around things. Here we have the brush. I haven't tried this mascara yet, so let me know in the comments if you have and if it's a good one. And for our last product, we have Versed. It's their cleansing balm that has eucalyptus oil and vitamin E in it. It smells so good. It really does smell like eucalyptus oil, and I love to add eucalyptus above my shower and just let it infuse the whole shower. This is a good one. I'm excited to try this. And that is all for this month's Ipsy bag. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below and what you've received in your Ipsy bag this month. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!